Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Akeneo PIM connection for e-commerce, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Akeneo PIM connection for e-commerce, begin by accessing your Akeneo instance. Log in to your Akeneo PIM admin interface. Navigate to the system menu at the top of the page. Click on Settings in the drop-down. Locate the API section within the settings. Here, you'll find the option to create a new access token. Click on the Create a New Token button. Fill out the required fields for token creation. Provide a name for your token that reflects its intended use. Select the scopes that will define the token's permissions. Ensure you include at least read and write permissions for product data. Once you have configured the settings, click on Save. Your new token will be generated. Copy the generated access token, as you will need it for authentication. Now, open your e-commerce platform's backend or your development environment. Locate the configuration file or settings related to Akeneo PIM integration. Paste the copied access token into the designated field for API access. Next, specify the Akeneo PIM base URL in the appropriate configuration setting. This URL usually follows the format https://your-akeneo-domain.com/api/rest/v1. Ensure that you have installed any necessary SDKs for your programming language. This will often include libraries for making authenticated API requests. Once everything is set, initiate a test connection to verify the integration. Monitor any error messages that may appear during this process. If you encounter issues, double-check your access token and API permissions. Make any necessary adjustments to your configuration. Once the connection is successful, proceed to explore the available API endpoints. You can now pull or push product data to and from your Akeneo PIM. Always remember to keep your access token secure and confidential. Regularly review and update your API credentials as needed for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.